Lone Mountain's a company that primarily focuses on aircraft sales, but in doing that builds out support all the way around the owner experience.
2008, we started in Las Vegas with a small team. By the end of 2009, we were a team of 4. In 2010, we continued to expand the team with aircraft maintenance and finance. Our team has shared the values of honor, respect, innovation, and service above self. And as our team has expanded, we have made intentional efforts to walk that out and to live those values.
The customer experience at Lone Mountain Aircraft is built around trust. The customer has a confidence that the team that they're dealing with is a team with great depth and a team that collaborates and a team that will cover all of the deficiencies, all of the uncertainties, all of the questions that they have.
When we started in '08, our primary focus was the resale of Cirrus aircraft. And as our team has grown over these last 17 years, we've added former OEM salespeople who were representatives at Textron, Embraer, Beechcraft, Bombardier, Piper, and TBM. It's hard to find a popular GI airplane where we don't have somebody on our team that used to work for the manufacturer representing them.
The exciting thing about Lone Mountain Aircraft, and as it has evolved and grown from a core group to what it is today, is that what sets us apart today is the same thing that set us apart back then. And as we have evolved and as we've grown and as the support around aircraft sales has grown with different arms of the company, all of those things have only underlined the core values of Lone Mountain Aircraft.